Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So Gala has once again made a very strong move to the upside, and I just wanted to make a quick video just to see where we are so that we can identify opportunities, especially among those of you who really want to get into the game, but have unfortunately been left behind by the current moon. Let's recap on some of the things that I've said previously, and then we chart our way forward. If you buy big green candles, you get big red dildos. If you're willing to get into the project and finally confirm the breakout, just wait a little bit because again, what comes up will always come down. So what we can expect moving forward around here is the hope is you have moving averages right here, and eventually maybe it will rally up a little bit more, but it will eventually slow down, test the EMAs, and potentially go to its destination. And there you go. So there are a couple of things that we did mention previously. So back when Gala was still starting to moon right here, so we did say right here, if you buy green candles, you get big red dildos. Wait for the tests of support right here before continuation. So this is exactly the buying opportunity that we were waiting for if we were to enter Gala Games. And once again, you may be thinking, currently it has mooned once again and is currently testing price levels that are very far from the EMAs. What do you do? This is where we review our Fibonacci retracements because this is where you're going to see what has happened so far when it comes to the price action. It is best shown on a daily. So remember in a previous video, we did have 23-cent targets of the 1618. And I did mention the option here that we may overextend from here just because of this strong candle to the upside. Well, what do you have now? So right now, price is currently adhering to the Fibonacci levels to a T. What do I mean? This giant candle was resting in the 382 before it rallied up. Where did the candle close? It closed on the 786. So the 786 initially rejected this token, back tested the 618 as support before the rally and got rejected on the 1. It then back tested the 618 again before mooning all the way past the 1618, and look where it closed. It closed right before the 1618. So today, the 1618 is acting as resistance before continuation to the upside. So now that we have mapped the scenarios, where do we go moving forward? The first thing to do is if you have laid out your 5-wave Elliott wave, this is where you start adjusting. We now know that there is a high likelihood of an overextension to the 2.72, which is 37 cents. How do we know that? Because of a very strong wave 3. So you can consider this as now your wave 3, and you use the levels as opportunities to see where can the price potentially retrace before continuation to the upside. In this case, a 1272 appears to be a good opportunity here, where if you want to buy more Gala before continuation, the responsible thing to do is really wait for the correction to happen before continuation to the upside. Because a correction will happen eventually. How do we know that? It's because the current RSI levels are overbought right here, and the stock RSI is currently overbought. So do expect something like this, where you are going to rest on this wave 1272, which is around 18 or 17 cents. Because what we want is we want the EMAs to creep up right here. You don't want to leave the EMAs behind too quickly, because what we don't want to happen is you don't want the crypto to moon like this right now. You want the EMAs to catch up. Why is that? Because if it moons right here and the EMAs are so left behind, there's very high likelihood that when it comes back down to retrace, it will break the EMA structure and you are now on a downtrend moving forward. So the bullish case, the most bullish case is hopefully it does retest the 1272 so that you allow the EMAs to catch up here. Another scenario that may happen is maybe price will just crab around here, which is also fine as long as you wait for the EMAs to catch up. The EMAs have to catch up to the price action so that you can continue moving forward. So depending on the scenario, you can then map out your buying opportunities. You can either aim for the wave 4 correction if price starts to fall down the Fibonacci levels, or if price keeps crabbing, then wait for the EMAs to catch up and this is your buying opportunity before continuation. But once again, everything I say, not financial advice. If you like my video, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave your comments down below. If you also want me to track other gaming cryptos, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll look at it in the future. Until then, for the Gala holders, congratulations!